two pieces. We got our finished edge and our finished edge. I'm going to bring the bottom up to the top. And then I'm going to turn it sideways. And if you guys want to do clips, you can do clips, but I don't think I need any. And then what I'm going to do is just take this, I'm going to bring it in, and then I'm going to just bring these guys down. I'm going to pinch these right through here, like this. Now people do this a little bit differently. Then that last piece I'm just going to turn up and bring in. So pinch, 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 last one, turn in. And you get your little scooper. Okay, now this is where I'm going to modify it. This is where we're going to modify this petal. I'm going to call this, I guess for lack of better word, this is going to look like a boat. This is going to, for me, this looks like a boat. So I'm going to call this the canoe petal. Right? I'm going to call this the canoe petal because to me it looks like a canoe. And what I've done is just done the lolly petal, and then I'm going to take this top and I'm going to just kind of pinch it together like that. All right? I'm just going to pinch this together like that. But first of all, I need to grab this and get this under control before I pinch the top, because if we don't, we're going to have a problem. So I'm going to cut this off to probably about maybe 1.5 inches or so. So cut that bottom right off there, and then get one of your rubber bands here and rubber band this bottom. All right, and now we're going to take this top. Have yourself a glue gun out. We're going to take the top. I've been doing it about 1/2 inch. I've been taking about 1/2 inch here, and I'm just going to take the inside and I'm going to glue. I'm going to put a spot of glue all the way around the inside there, and then I'm going to just pinch these together as far as I want it to go, probably about that far. And if you make these ahead of time, you guys, you can take one of these and just put it there and it'll hold it for you. All right, and that's how I get my boat. That's how I get my canoe. So I don't know if there's a petal like this out there or not. I'm not sure. If there's not, I'm going to call it the canoe petal just because I think it looks like that. I don't know. Let's do one more, okay? So again, it's a modified lolly petal. And we're just going to take these, and I'm going to take the bottom. I'm going to take the bottom, bring it to the top. I'm turning it to the side. I'm going to pinch here, making sure I get that bottom row into, the bottom layer into. You don't believe so? Okay. And then we're going to take this and pinch, pinch, and this can curl up, pinch, and then pinch, pinch, and you can curl up and pinch. All right? And then we're going to take this, we're going to cut the tail off. Thank you. We're going to cut the tail off. We're going to put our rubber band around it. Now, if you make these ahead of time, you guys, this is pretty thick, right? Because we have two kinds of mesh in here. So some of these might come apart like mine did. Hey, Jackie. But don't worry about it. If they're together long enough, they won't come apart. You can just bunch them back together and put another rubber band on them. All right, so there is the lolly petal, right? Now we're going to just take it and kind of pull it and pinch it and decide how much of this we want pinched, and then put your glue in here. And then just pinch it just like that, however far you want it. You might want just a little bit up here pinched. But like I said, I think I have about 1/2 inch here. And then again, you can take one of your clips. You know, Laurie's got these Unique in the Creek clips. Grab these, you guys. These are awesome. And I just clip that, and then it'll hold it until I get ready to use it. And you can mess with it afterwards if you want to. Okay? So that's my little canoe petal.